The executor of O.J. Simpson's estate says he will work to prevent a payout of a $33.5 million judgment awarded by a California civil jury nearly 3 decades ago in a wrongful death lawsuit filed by the families of Simpson's ex-wife, Nicole Brown Simpson, and her friend Ron Goldman. Simpson's will was filed Friday in a Clark County court in Nevada, naming his longtime lawyer, Malcolm Laverne, as the executor. The document shows Simpson's property was placed into a trust that was created this year. Laverne told the Las Vegas Review-Journal that the entirety of Simpson's estate has not been tallied. Under Nevada law, an estate must go through the courts if its assets exceed $20,000. Simpson died Wednesday without having paid the lion's share of the civil judgment that was awarded in 1997, after jurors found him liable, with his assets set to go through the court probate process. The Goldman and Brown families could be in line to get paid a piece of whatever Simpson left behind. Laverne, who had represented Simpson since 2009, said he specifically didn't want the Goldman family seeing any money from Simpson's estate. "It's my hope that the Goldmans get 0-0, he told the Review-Journal. Them specifically. And I will do everything in my capacity as the executor or personal representative to try and ensure that they get nothing." Laverne did not immediately return phone and email messages left by the Associated Press on Saturday. Although the Brown and Goldman families have pushed for payment, Laverne said there was never a court order forcing Simpson to pay the civil judgment. The attorney told the Review-Journal that his particular ire at the Goldman family stemmed in part from the events surrounding Simpson's planned book, titled If I Did It. Goldman's family won control of the manuscript and retitled the book If I Did It, Confessions of the Killer. Simpson earned fame and fortune through football and show business, but his legacy was forever changed by the June 1994 knife slayings of his ex-wife and her friend in Los Angeles. He was acquitted of criminal charges in 1995 in a trial that mesmerized the public. Goldman's father, Fred Goldman, the lead plaintiff, always said the issue was never the money. It was only about holding Simpson responsible. And he said in a statement Thursday that with Simpson's death, the hope for true accountability has ended. The Goldman and Brown families will be on at least equal footing with other creditors and will probably have an even stronger claim, as Simpson's estate is settled under terms established by the trust created in January. The will lists his 4 children and notes that any beneficiary who seeks to challenge provisions of the will shall receive, free of trust, $1, 1 true and no more in lieu of any claimed interest in this will or its assets. Simpson said he lived only on his NFL and private pensions. Hundreds of valuable possessions had been seized as part of the jury award, and Simpson was forced to auction his Heisman Trophy, fetching $230,000.